Hello everyone, welcome to my channel E-Learning Zone. Today we are going to do the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Kid Wright. This is class 7 Ncert Honeycomb poem. So let us start with it. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." So stuck means unable to move further. So what happened this morning was that a cat, it got stuck in the tree, and Dad, who considered himself to be an ace climber, said, "Dad, this is the situation that should be left to him, as he will manage to drive the cat down again." The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mum said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." Wobbly means that it was moving unsteadily from side to side. The tree was shaking. Now, since the tree was shaking and was very wobbly, and it was tall as well, Mother was worried and warned the father to climb the tree carefully. She warned him that he might fall. "Fall," scoffed Dad. "A climber like me? Child's play, that is. You wait and see." Now, spoof means speaking in a very mocking way. Okay, so what happened was, father mocked at mother and was very quite surprised when she warned him. And he laughed at the mother and just banished her whatever suggestions she was giving by saying that he is a climber and he knows how to climb the trees, as it was very easy for him. It was just like a child's play for the father. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Flower bed means what? Flower bed is a part or a plot where the flowers are grown in the garden. So the father was charged up that he goes to the garden shed, and from there he brings a ladder. But the ladder, as he put it, it slipped and the father fell down on the ground in the flower bed. Okay, so now let's come to the next page. This is "Never mind," said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and off his face and off his trouser and his shirt. So now when the dad fell on the ground, the mud, the dirt, everything was on his hair and face. He just brushed it off from his hair and face. He cleaned himself from his trousers, from his shirts, from everywhere. He took away the dirt, the mud that was stuck onto him then, and starts thinking of another plan. "We'll try plan B. Stand out of the way." Mom said, "Don't fall again, okay?" So as the plan A failed, as the plan A didn't work, now the father thought of plan B. But mother this time again warned him that he needs to be careful, as he may fall again. "Fall again," said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Now the father did not take the warning seriously. He thought that it was funny, and as if the mother was warning him again and again, he started working on his plan B. So what he did, he swung himself on a branch, and as he does so, the branch broke and he again fell down on the ground. Dad landed back on the deck. Mom said, "Stop it. You'll break the neck." Wallop means he struck very hard. Okay, so the dad himself hit very hard this time as he fell on the ground. Now the mother is worried and begs him to stop, or else he might break his neck, as if he keeps falling again and again. "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me." So winking is what? It is someone, to share a secret joke. We just close and open our one eye. So that is the winking. But the father refuses to give up and he wants to try this plan C, which he already has in his mind. Plan C is already ready with him. For him, this plan seems very easy as he's a great climber, according to him, and is sure to succeed in this attempt. Now let us come to the last page. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Now, according to his plan C, the father climbs up the high garden wall. And the best part is, this time he did not fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. Now, leap here means what? It is a jump. It is a spring a long way. So, according to the plan C, when the father climbs the higher wall, and with a one great leap, he lands on to that part of the tree where the cat is already there. Now the cat is right in front of the father. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. The father lands. Now as the father lands in front of the cat, what happens? The cat is scared. It screams, and out of fear, what happens? It jumps on the ground. Now, as it jumps, the jump is very smooth and the cat slowly and softly landed on the ground. It is safe, and now the cat is on the ground, and where is the father? The father is still stuck on the tree. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. Smirking means smiling in a silly or an irritated way. Smug means, what do we mean by smug here? It is having pride in one's achievements. So what happens? Here the poem comes to an end. It is on a humorous note that the poem ends. The cat to whom the father went up on the tree to save has come down. It is now safe and sound. It is down. From down, it is giving father a smile, and it is, feeling very proud and very safe. It is on the ground now. And the cat is smiling, whereas the poor dad is still now stuck up on the tree. The dad is still stuck on the tree, and the cat to whom it went up to save is down, and it is safely on the ground. Okay, so now children, thank you. I hope you have understood the poem well. If you have any doubts, you can send it to me in the comments below. Happy learning. Bye-bye.